Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi Q3 fuel cap. First, ensure your vehicle is completely unlocked. The fuel filler flap is conveniently located on the right-hand side of your Audi Q3. To open it, simply apply gentle pressure to the rear edge of the flap. You will hear a small click as the mechanism releases, allowing the flap to spring open slightly, revealing the fuel cap itself. This is a straightforward process. Once the fuel filler flap is open, you will see the actual fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise. You'll feel it loosen and hear a distinct click when it's fully disengaged. This indicates it's ready to be taken off. Many Audi Q3 models have a convenient holder inside the flap, designed to secure the cap while you refuel, preventing it from dangling or getting lost. With the fuel cap removed, you can now insert the fuel nozzle into the filler neck. Ensure it's fully inserted to prevent spills. Once you've finished refueling with the correct fuel type, it's time to close up. Replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until you hear several clicks. These clicks confirm that the cap is securely tightened, preventing any fuel vapor from escaping. Finally, to secure everything, gently push the fuel filler flap back into its closed position. You should hear a clear click, indicating it's latched correctly. Make sure the flap sits flush with the surrounding bodywork for a seamless look and proper aerodynamics. Always remember to use the fuel type recommended in your owner's manual to maintain optimal engine performance and longevity for your Audi Q3.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.